When using oil pastels, always start with light pressure. It's okay if the paper isn't completely covered right away. Overlap your colors to make new colors. Try using complementary colors to make shadows. Check out the accessories on our website for our color wheel to learn more about color relationships. Use your stroke direction to develop the form of what you are coloring. Continue building up layers of color. You can increase pressure as you go. Colors will blend naturally when using very light pressure with the pastels. If you would like, you can also blend a little bit with your fingers. Always add your details last. Always use hard pressure when applying your details. For additional assistance, email us at info@icreateartkit.com.